violating,
used AI
to break the law,
wrongfully arrested, cost her everything.
AI is one of the fastest growing technologies in all of human history. In 2025, total investment in AI reached around $600 billion. Over the past 10 years, it has grown more than 24 times. So, where does this wild pessimism among ordinary people come from? AI is just a collection of mathematical models. Different models exist for different tasks: video generation, image and video interpretation, reading text, and generation text. How successful do you think AI is right now? These confusing graphs show that AI has reached the human level in almost everything. People communicate with each other by language. AI can read text and generate responses. I think everyone watching this video has tried it at least once. There is no doubt that AI can already communicate at a human level. People can see the world. AI is closing in on human level video perception. There is no doubt that the best models are already snapping at our heels. People think, we give things meaning. Our intuition is a powerful survival mechanism. It's based on our ability to think. We can use our knowledge to solve problems we have never faced before. Machines have come incredibly close in this area too. Modern models are literally breathing down the neck of the best human experts. The average person has already lost the ability to compete with AI when it comes to solving reasoning problems. So, what's the problem? Humans are actually insanely good at learning. After watching one video, a person will understand every following video in the context of the first one. In general, a model sees the world through the data it was trained on. That means it can't create anything fundamentally new. It can only create something that follows from what already exists. Right now, AI doesn't seem expensive. For the average user, a basic $20 subscription is more than enough. But let's look at the number. A normal conversation with ChatGPT used as much energy as it takes to charge to your phone. And this data is based on older version and system without reasoning. Reasoning is when the model doesn't simply answer your question. Instead, it generates a hypothetical chain of thought, increasing the amount of input information it has, and improving the accuracy of its answer. But at the same time, these models consume an enormous amount of energy. Now think about your electricity bill. Is that anywhere close to the price of a $20 subscription? Of course not. So where does the money come from? As I already said, total investment in 2025 reached $600 billion. That money is going up in flames. It's literally being burned. OpenAI generates tens of billions of dollars in losses every year. According to analysts, the company won't become profitable before 2030. Do you think a subscription will cost $20? Even their most expensive subscription at $200 is currently unprofitable. AI only looks cheap because you are not the one paying for it. Investors are paying for it. And they are not good Samaritans. They are business sharks. They expect a return on their money, and that return will be shocking. Responsibility isn't really a problem when a human does the work, but who's responsible for the results produced by AI? Meanwhile, the number of publicly reported AI incidents keep growing every year. Companies lose money, people suffer, people even die. Who's responsible? Think about this. Why don't people trust AI? Because they are afraid. People believe AI will destroy more jobs than it creates. People see how successful AI has already become. People understand the greed of capitalists. People believe AI will turn the world into a horrifying version of cyberpunk. It will take away their jobs, it will take away their ability to create, and for some people, it will take away their reason to life. But fear makes the wolf bigger than it is. AI is currently an expensive technology that does nothing but burn money. To paraphrase Alexei Daronchev, the former head of YouTube Mobile, human life is the ability to experience life. What people call life is the ability to feel pain, anger, and sadness. And on the other side, joy, pleasure, and love. The ability to experience these feelings has always been a premium currency. But when everyone has this currency, we had no way to understand its true value. Now we can clearly focus on it. If you are genuinely afraid that AI will replace you, ask yourself one question. How much life is there in your life? Do you feel the sun, the wind, and the ocean breathe? Or do you simply live inside the narrative in your head? The narrative in your head is the same kind of chatter as the output of an LLM. An LLM picks one word after another and turns them into incredible ideas. Entire universes can be born there, and this is amazing technology. But the narrative inside our heads can create a universe that's just as powerful. The difference is that Human can experience the universe instead of merely thinking about it. You can feel the wind on our fingertips. Live, be alive. Don't lock yourself inside your own head. Remember, we are the premium users of our universe. The practical advice would be for everyone to learn about AI. Understand how it works on a basic everyday level. Understand what kind of prompt can get the result you need. Free up more time for life. And life when you still can. AI has already become too deeply embedded in our life. You can't stop progress. Sooner or later it's gonna happen anyway. The only real question is, when AI arrives, will you be ready? When all professions start dying out, will you be ready? When the only things that still matter are the ability to take responsibility and the ability to live like a human being instead of biological machine, will you be ready? Will you be ready?